Okay, everybody has their every business, you have your own company profile that you can add, and you can edit your company profile by just clicking on the company profile link. Here you can see is mine at Scruffy Horse. Got a 60-second pitch there, so you can put your 60-second pitch down, so if you can't make a meeting it can be read from here. All this is standard, so everybody gets the same. It's just the content that you can change yourself. You can change this background image, you can put your own logo in, you can add links here to your social media, websites, etc. And you can fill all this in. I'll show you how to do that. So if it's your company profile, you have a little edit page. If you click the edit page, you can just go through and fill this out. You just need to save each section, so you have a contact details there. You can put your business details in, social media details, so links to your social media site, and you can change these at any time. Images, so your logo image and that sort of big header image that I showed you, you can both add there. And then for services and about, it just gives you a click here to edit link. If you click that, then you can change your about. Let's just put something in. And you can change your services as well. Yeah, and when you've done that, just save. And as you can see, it's updated it. So you can set that yourself, and I recommend that one of the first things you do when using the app is to go in and complete your profile, because we have a marketplace and everybody is in the marketplace, so you can see about any business here. We have quite a lot of 15 pages worth of businesses at the moment, and you can search for them, sort of keyword, location. So if you want to look at a business, find out more information, you can just click on it and go in. It's a lovely picture of Catherine there with her car. And you can look at the business. So it's a great way for finding, it's a great directory for finding ScreenPop members that you might want to use.